I've got some exciting news for all my bakkie lovers in South Africa. Listen to this. Chery is officially joining the bakkie game, and not just one, but two models coming our way in 2026. The head of Chery South Africa, Tony Liu, just confirmed that they are bringing a traditional leather frame bakkie. Think along the lines of the Hilux Ranger, rugged, tough, and ready for work and adventure. But here's where it gets really interesting, okay? Chery is also working on something totally unique. A transformable 7-seater bakkie. Yep, you heard that one right. A 7-seater that can turn into a double cab bakkie. Tony Liu, in an interview with Cars.co.za, explained it like this. During the week, you can use it as a family-friendly 7-seater for the city. And when the weekend hits, you can remove the canopy and boom, you've got yourself a double cab ready for adventure. Now, that's what I call versatility. Chery says they are still deciding which brand name it will fall under. It could be Chery, Jayco, or even other sub-brand. But either way, they are already in the R&D phase, and by late 2026, we could see this in Mzansi. And that's not all. The traditional bakkie called the Himmler was already revealed in China earlier this year. It's a 5-seater double cab built on a strong body-on-frame platform, ready to compete with the likes of the Hilux, Ranger, and Isuzu D-Max. Chery is also considering multiple engine options from petrol and diesel to plug-in hybrids, which means we could even see a diesel hybrid bakkie in the near future. Talk about innovation. So tell me, would you drive a transformable 7-seater bakkie? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love staying up to date with the latest trends, news, reviews, and deals, don't forget to like, follow, and share this video. This is your girl, Ntabi the Car Sales Lady, keeping you plugged in on what's hot in South African car market. See you on the next one.